Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make churros for the first time. Never made them before. My family's craving them, so we're gonna give them a shot, y'all. This is a simple recipe. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. We're gonna whisk this up. Where is my whisk? Whisk it up. Alright, y'all, the water is boiling. I'm gonna turn this. Come on, what's going on here? Oh no, it might be out of propane. Alright, y'all, we got propane. I've got my oil heating up. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of oil into this hot water. That's plenty. Now we're going to mix this into our flour mixture. It's gonna be a very sticky batter dough. Wow, it's gonna be very gummy. Looks so strange. And we're going to put it in a piping bag, which is gonna be a Ziploc bag for us. Looks very dry. Wondering if I need to add a couple more drops of water. Alright y'all, I'm gonna need to add it to my piping bag. I don't have a tip, so we're going to cut it. Need to carefully get this into the bag. It's very hot, so it's also weird. Oh boy, my oil's getting really hot now. Alright. We want this side cut. Got a nice pair of kitchen scissors. I think it's just because there's a little bit of water that got spilt. I'm going to cut a little bit off. We can always cut off more if need be. I'm going to cut like a W in there, a little zigzag. Can't see it very well either. I think I cut this hole too big. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see that, but we've got a little... Okay. Oh, that looks great. I don't know if it's going to put the little design, but it's okay. I'm going to see if it's hot enough. It's not too much lines, but I think we need a little more heat. We'll see what length we can get. And then you just cut it off. Okay. Oh my god, an explosion. Not too many ridges in here. And I went with a firmer... bag? Oh boy. We're getting some explosions. Oh, now we're really busting through here. Well, we'll see how that one turns out. A little thicker. I'm gonna need a new bag maybe, huh? Let's try these. 2 to 3 minutes until they're golden brown. Oh yeah, look at that. Cute. Try to flip them halfway. They're not perfect, but hopefully they're good. We're gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of sugar, maybe half, and cinnamon. Oh, we'll mix it up. Cinnamony, looks delicious. We're gonna take this first one out at least. We'll take them out. This fat one, I might need to rotate it again and leave it. And I'm going to cut the heat. We'll taste these. Check them out. They look cute, but definitely not really ridges. But also this isn't that much dough, so we can adapt them if we need. We'll take this one out. And it's very quick and easy. Cut the heat on here. Probably need to dunk these. Wow, look at that. That looks delicious. Oh yeah. Really good. Really good. Give them a little shake in that sugar. Make this, you'll have a happy family with the delicious dessert. This one's a little fat. Honestly, that's a good size. We need to work on that texture. All right, y'all, we'll give a taste test. Y'all, those were incredible. My husband thinks there's too much cinnamon in here and sugar in general on the churros. So maybe wait a minute after, and I'm gonna see if I can get better ridges on here. I don't know, because my bag busted anyway. Give it a little trim. This isn't very easy to trim. So if you have a star tip, do that. I just pull out what's on the outside. Need to relight my pan here. And I'm just going to transfer this dough. I'm going to try to transfer it to this side. There we go. Perfect. Just gotta be careful. I still don't think I'm getting ridges, but that's okay. Oh boy. This is a mess, y'all. Just slowly let them come out. Don't put too much pressure on there. This one's more like square shape. And they kind of curl up. This one's getting a little bit better shape. Anyway, this is a super quick, easy, delicious dessert. Can come together in minutes. The hardest part is frying them. Super quick and easy dessert. Don't waste $49,000 at the fair. I mean, spend your money how you want, but you can save money by making these types of foods at home, and it's so delicious. And also spend money on a good cause. And they're also touching the bottom a little bit, so just be careful with that. But these are still incredible. Definitely will be making these again. And it's so easy. I had a little bit of trouble getting my water. The water was giving me a little trouble boiling. The stove ran out of propane. And my bag's busted. But guys, that's so easy. Simple fixes for an amazing treat your family will go bananas for, y'all. I'm gonna try a couple little bites. Ow! Churro nugs. These turned out absolutely delicious. I'll link the recipe down below. Y'all should give this a try. Definitely. Definitely give this a try, y'all. Family favorite. Super cute, super fun. You could try to get fancy and make certain shapes. We're gonna add a little sugar to this mixture because 1, I reuse it. 2, you can put this on anything. Did y'all eat cinnamon sugar toast? Let's try it. Oh yeah, still sticks, but not as much, possibly. Cute as can be. You definitely want a good crisp on there. These little nugs got quite thick. It doesn't make a ton. I like that though because then I don't have 1,000 churros or batter that needs to be used up or it gets wasted. If we want more, I'll make more. Might could add a little more salt to the recipe. Helps break up the sweetness, and it'd definitely be awesome if they had little ridges. So I don't have any sort of piping with me right now. With all my stuff, I probably have something cheap and simple, but right now I don't. We live tiny, y'all. We're traveling right now and we're in our camper. We love it. We love to cook homemade. We love to try new food and try to make it at home. It's so fun. We do love the same simple American foods, but trying different things, trying different food is fun as well. We love to cook in cast iron. We love cooking. Found this beautiful stove and it's been wonderful. We've made so many delicious foods in it. The oven in particular is what we wanted. I've got 4 burners and the oven is more normal size, residential. It's amazing. We love it. Oh boy. I'm gonna cut the heat. This is definitely hot enough. I need a little spider to get my stuff out, to get noodles out and fried foods. Let us know what foods you want us to make or think we would like. We love cooking. Follow us along if you like, and we hope you enjoyed, y'all. Bon appetit is what my family's saying tonight. Alrighty. Alright, y'all. I'm going to carefully shake these in this, and hopefully it's a little better than before. Before I do them all, I can go get a taste test. Just give them a little shake in there. Just make sure it's all coated. That looks delicious. Alright, y'all. He still thinks there's too much coating, but I think it's delicious. We're going to partially kind of coat some of these and can always take it off. Rub some off. A little quick coating. These little nugs are adorable. They're not the most pleasant looking, but they're delicious. I'm just going to leave a little bit of them bare. These ones are definitely, the little bit curved ones are definitely easier to coat because they fit right in the bowl. Let's try a little nug. So good. Now here's the beauty of cooking at home, y'all. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing, following us along for more, letting us know what you think down below. We appreciate y'all for joining us in our kitchen. And we encourage you to give something a try that you love or do special, but possibly can make it home. This took 5 minutes to put the dough together, 5 to 10 minutes to cook. So easy, simple ingredients, very cheap. We appreciate y'all and have a great day. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.